Yan na, nagre-record na.
Hindi mo sa last time din na ipagit na.
Hi everyone! Awkward ako. So...
Ohayo, mi. Konnichiwa.
Wala ako dun ah.
So now I'm at my classmate's house and technically I'm at the office. Ano ba? In or at?
In or out.
And my classmate's house is way over
There.
somewhere there outside.
Somewhere in there.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Hindi ako
And we're supposed to be doing a project, but
Back then, again.
but
We decided to play.
Yup.
we've just been playing table tennis and all that.
We just ate.
Although we already started, like, ano nga ba sasabihin ko?
Pakilala ko. My name is Andrea Tolinyam.
Uy, baka maisip na ikaw yun.
Sabihin mo kaya?
Ha?
Kaya pala sa ano eh. Medyo magulo. PY.
So, ay, ang laki na ng memory, okay. So later, sabi ko na yan, okay. Now.
Ganda na guys.
Ba't kanina naisip ko na sabihin ko? Ba't na hindi ko na maisip?
Ariana Grande. Class 9C. Oh my god.
See you later.